Hello, welcome again. In this session, we shall discuss more about collecting customer data. Now, we shall discuss how to gather customer voice. There are many possible ways to gather the information. These can be focus groups, individual interviews, contextual inquiry, and ethnographic techniques, etc. But all involve a series of structured in-depth interviews, which focus on the customer's experiences with current products or alternatives within the category under consideration. After that, need statements are formulated and organized into a more usable work hierarchy. The next part will be for customers to prioritize the work sequence. There are a few considerations in collecting customer data. These are: collector's bias may affect what is heard. Therefore, data collector must be unbiased. What relationship do you have with the customer? Any contact available? What are your time constraints? Are you in a hurry? What budget is available? Is the budget sufficient? How much certainty do you need? Can you move forward with the project? Are customer expectations aligned? Ensure expectations are aligned with your intentions and actions. As explained earlier, we have to capture the voice of customers to identify the parameters that are critical to quality, that is CTQs. CTQs are specific and measurable attributes of the output that can satisfy key requirement for customer satisfaction. In Six Sigma, our paramount interest is to control the variation and the absolute value of the CTQs. Now, we shall see how we can translate the voice of customer to the critical to quality aspects. From voice of customer, identify customer segment that need to be targeted. Gather voice of customers, as is told, and determine service quality issues. For arriving at the CTQs, translate to needs statement and develop a CTQ project Y metric for output characteristics. Here, we shall see how a verbatim VOC can be transformed into a measurable CTQ. A customer may just say that, "You take too much time in getting back to me." By this, what the customer wants is a quick response. It is still not measurable and you cannot improve the situation. We have to find out his specific needs. How quick he wants the service. With customer, you discuss to find out that he wants the process turnaround time, or TAT, to be not more than 10 minutes. This is the critical to quality parameter. Similarly, a customer may say that these forms are very cumbersome. By this, what the customer wants is a user-friendly forms. On further discussions with him, you find his requirement. He wants the forms to be less than 2 pages and must be able to be filled up by 10 minutes time. So VOCs may not be measurable, but the CTQs must be. In summary, what gets measured gets managed. Therefore, help the team ensure measurable CTQs are identified for improvement actions. In our later sessions, on quality function deployment, we shall discuss this in more detail. If your customer is external customer, then connecting the employee and customer experiences gives any organization a complete picture of what is really going on and why they are so. Understanding this connection will help your organization understand the impact of employee engagement on the bottom line. When it comes to customer experience, employees' feedback does 3 essential things. It provides context for customer experiences, helps identify process, policy, and technology hurdles that hinder experience delivery, gives insight into the quality of employees' experiences. In this session, we have understood that an essential and rather most important tool for product development and problem solving is capturing the voice of customers. After we capture the voice of customers verbatim, we have to identify the specific needs and convert those to measurable CTQs. These measurable CTQs will be the Six Sigma metric Y that needs to be improved. Then our interest will be to identify the critical X's that influence the Y and form the fundamental equation Y equals Fx.
End of the session. To make the learning even more engaging, our research team has prepared a short quiz for you to test your understanding. You can find the link to the quiz in the description below. Take a few minutes to complete it and feel free to share it with your colleagues, friends and online mates. Before you go, don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Don't miss out on the latest insights. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.